Hey, Alan from Ural Junkie, how's it going? Hey, are you planning on a trip in the future on your Ural? Well, you're probably going to need to charge a bunch of stuff while you're traveling. You're going to need to charge phones, tablets, cameras, power banks, flashlights, lanterns, all kinds of stuff, right? Well, today we're going to install a USB hub in the Sidecar, and it should be pretty easy. So let's get going. Come on. So for this, we're not going to need too much. I have some crimper stripper, 10mm wrench, and a USB hub. Optionally, I also have some testers, which we'll use in the beginning. Okay, first of all, I have the USB hub here, and I'm not affiliated with these guys in any way. I just went on Amazon and searched for a USB hub, and I found this on page 10. Comes with a cable, a mounting bracket, and the USB hub as well. So let's take a look at it. Ooh, nice and small. On off. Okay, so let's see how this thing goes here. Okay, to take this off, we just need a 10mm wrench. Let's take this off and see what's hiding behind here. Oh yeah. Just slides off, and let's see where we want to mount it. We're going to need room to put the USB plugs in, so I figure about right there. I figure I need about this much wire, so let's amputate. Okay, we got a red and white. I'm assuming red is power. Let's strip this wire back here. Strip the wire back on both. Now let's take a little bit more off here. Now I just happen to have in my pocket a couple of terminals. So let's take this, and again I'm assuming red is power. Let's stick this little fella in here. Crimp him down. And take a little white guy, crimp him down. Okay, all nice and tight. Let's red into red, and blue into white, off. Let's test it out. If we plug this in, it's already plugged in. Okay, so let's check this out. So it turns out I'm a complete idiot. The struggle that I was having is that I assumed that this was all set up by Ural for a quick plug-in, but in looking at it, this goes to power, this goes to power. The relay is for the LEDs in the front spotlight. So these both have power. This is ground. So I took our little plug. I changed out the blade connector for a loop. So now we have a ground and a power. And I am going to take this screw out right here. Then I will take our wire, stick the ground on here, put the nut back on, Okay, now if I take this guy, I want to put him into the switch. I'm going to put him in here. Now it should work. If we plug this guy in, we have a little blue LED. If I plug in my voltmeter, we have 5.24 volts. Let's put a load on it. I would like to see this be able to pump out. Okay, we have 1.5 amps here. And we are pulling 1.5 amps. Let's see, take it up to 2 amps. And it's pulling 2 amps, holding 5 volts. So all looking good. All right, perfect. How nice. See, the little holes are punched out, so they'll match this. Great. Okay, stick that on there, peel that off, and this is symmetrical so it can go either way, and then we are going to put it so it lines up. Okay, so we got it all mounted. Now let's check again the switch. Okay, so we have 5.25 when it's down, and we have nothing when it's turned off. I will reverse this switch so that it's off and then on, but the switch works. That's it. All assembled. It works without the key of the bike on, and we're done.